porch in a rocking chair, old red's barking at the setting sun's glare. Grandpa's fiddle rings through the dusty air, telling tales of days that were rare. Mama's in the kitchen baking up a pie, kids are running barefoot catching fireflies. Daddy's old truck parked on by the side, rust on the fender and memories inside. In this small town life, where the days roll slow, where every neighbor's name you know, a place where love and troubles grow. In this small town life, it feels like home. Sunday morning, church bell rings, voices rise, the congregation sings. Farmers praying for the rain to bring the harvest worth the sweat and sting. Fields of amber swaying in the breeze, a land of promise, hope and dreams. Scarecrow stands guarding all it sees, silent witness to this byway schemes. In this small town life, where the days roll slow, where every neighbor's name you know, a place where love and troubles grow. In this small town life, it feels like home. Sunday morning, church bell rings, voices rise, the congregation sings. Farmers praying for the rain to bring a harvest worth the sweat and sting. In this small town life, where the days roll slow, where every neighbor's name you know, a place where love and troubles grow. In this small town life, it feels like